Alrighty, what's up guys, aka Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN. Today, really nice weather, but I just cannot wait to review this. Top camera, bingo. Alrighty, so brand new, I got it a while ago, just bunch of stuff going on. LENZ, new command station and booster. Nice. LZV200. Not showing the firmware. What kind of firmware? Usually they putting like edition or something, but it's like first edition of the manual though. Hey, what's up, model lane stewards? Hey, sorry guys, sometimes I cannot pronounce your name. If I'm pronouncing wrong, I'm apologizing. All right, I will answer questions and read your comments right at the end of the show. So I'm not going to connect, we just look at it. Okay, so I did it in my Russian channel for Russian speaking viewers, and now I'm doing in English, and I separate it on purpose because it's getting kind of messy. Anyway, a couple of things I want to mention in the manual, which is I usually not I'm not usually reading. Yeah, it's bad habit because just bad. I strongly recommend to read manual, at least like basic stuff. So a couple of things different. Again, we're going to deep in the next video broadcast. I will connect and I'll run some trains. And actually, I saw guys interest in Soviet Union Russian train. We'll probably do that guy. It's old Soviet Union diesel locomotive. All right, for fun. Top camera back. So maybe I'm missing something, but they're not mentioning. I'm not like unhappy with it, but it's just a little bit unusual. They're not mentioning about those two LEDs. My guess, again, I didn't connect it. My guess, it's one of the like on position and another LED, whatever it is, probably indicates short or some communication between, because it has computer interface built in, USB port right here. Now also a couple of things mentioned. This back is kind of made of plastic, and that thing is shiny. All right. Hey, what's up, Napoleon? What up, what up? And it's kind of shiny, so all those prints, it's not really prints, it's kind of, I'm not sure, kind of thing like sticks to that, or maybe it prints, I'm not, definitely not positive, but the letters already peeling, and it's just brand new again out of the box. Not big deal, but important. So you need a manual next to you and print it the back. All right. Also, for example, especially for that plug, for power and outputs, I think it's protected, but still you can easily messing around. So first download the manual and print the back and like keep it like near it. All right, the rest of the same, those are programming track outputs and feedback input. Also, what else? ExpressNet here, and additional CDE for the booster terminal. All right, external booster. I believe, again, we'll go technical all aspects next time when I'm going to connect. I'll go through the manual more deeply and see what's going on. The nice part right now, they still keeping that DIN5 connector, which is I love. It's easy for ExpressNet. It just kind of looks old, but I like it. Also, they integrated a new portal for power supply, so you can use new type, those computer small bricks for power supply, not AC power supply, huge transformers. All right, that's cool. Of course, you need to, I believe, separate them means plugging one at a time. And very positively, I think it's still 5 amps. Yeah, manual is nice. It's in English, German, English, and in French. Yes, so French, English, and German. All right. So let me just check one thing before we going any further. Technical data. Da, 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 da. 29 functions. Why 29 is supposed to be 30, but that's okay. AC. That's the power supply with AC with a pure DC. That's in the manual here, page 33. So I will probably ask you to, if you get it, start with page 31 and go through entire manual. It tells you exactly what's going on here. Talking about some amperage, but yes, it looks like it's 5 amps. Yeah, so you need to print. Sorry if it's very reflecting. You need to print this, the back. All right. Now, unusual thing. This that terminal call update. So with the new firmware, and this is kind of blocked with some plastic thingy, the black. So when new updates coming, when I don't know. You plug in kind of stick providing by LENZ. I hope to show you that, yes, manual black and white, that's no problem. So this stick and this stick with some LEDs on it right here, okay, will contain the update. And some LEDs will indicate how's everything cool, yellow, green version. So here we go. That's how they're doing update. That's a little bit surprised. So you depend on some hardware to plug it in. Maybe again, I guess it will be just available via computer download. But I think they want to keep everything proprietary. Again, just thinking. Just my thoughts. Looks cool. I like the solid metal. It's all nice made. The only one thing I really not happy with those thingies, like rubber kind of stands. You know, usually I'm going to Home Depot and getting a little bit heavy duty or like online, and those, because they will, I guarantee you guys, they will be just slit, or double-sided like heavy duty Velcro will do it if it's of course stationary near your layout. You just plug it in. I think the one they changed it definitely. Side was one of the sides was with no, it's still here. Yeah, it's still here. So that's how heatsink for transistors mounted. All right. Well, let me look through, and we'll do connection and see how's everything in one video working, and I'll plug it to computer as well. Probably won't do it online. Depends, yeah, depends of software, Windows, we'll see. Anyway, so Any questions, guys, I'm glad to answer. And thanks for supporting business and hobby and the channel. It's all great, you know. I'll see you next time very soon. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye bye.